torch natin. Siyempre, mas maganda pa yung makikita natin on our next legs pa. Pauna pa lang itong Baguio eh. Meron pang iba eh. Tignan nyo naman sa likod, di ba? Siyempre, ang ating criteria, charm.
Ang ating criteria of judging will be performance, which is 45%, accuracy and craftsmanship, 40%, and finally, the overall impact, 15%.
For a total of 100%. Siyempre, pakilala ko po ulit ang ating judges. Ang first judge po natin, ang guest relations officer ng Cosplay.ph, ang producer ng Cosplay Show at ang representative natin sa Anime Festival Asia. Please give it up for Zenith!
At ang ating guest judge is a fashion designer, choreographer, dancer, at human resource associate sa Ross King Property Limited, Mr. Davidson Binoy.
Last but not the least, ang multi-awarded cosplayer at ang nanala sa ating Cosplay Mania 10 na siya yung grand winner. Siyempre, siya din yung host ng Cosplay Show at siyempre, ang head judge ngayong Torch 3, Mr. Guy Singzon. So, handa na ba kayo makita ang ating Torch contestants? Are you ready? Sayo sa taas, are you ready? Kayong contestants, are you ready? Everyone, let's give it up for contestant number 1. They call themselves Big Sisters Onesa. Big Sisters Onesan. Balik po kayo dito.
Po tayo sa stage.
Balik po kayo. Hi.
Wow, ang galing naman. Ating first contestant, ang Big Sister.
Yes. So, anong series yun or game ba yun or
It's a game. Soul Calibur.
So it's from Soul Calibur. So judges, meron po ba tayong question sa ating Big Sisters?
Ano yung sama?
Hello. What is your name? What's your name?
Ana.
Anna and you are?
Lena.
Okay, so next person is okay, I just want to ask a question. Actually, it's a simple question for you to answer, and I guess it's the person to answer the question. I guess you can have family in answering the question. Okay, for example, you. Okay, my question is, if you're going to win this competition, what are you going to contribute in order for this, in order for the growing of this kind of competition? Let's say it's about anime and
Actually, right now we are encouraging my cousins, her sons, my kids. We are trying to encourage everybody to join, and actually they could just go in our house and they could see us there, and they could also help us in making costumes and. I'm sorry, but I can't really hear your question.
okay, it's clear now. Okay, I'm sorry for that. My question was, if we're going to win this competition, what are you going to contribute in order for us to preserve this kind of contest or this kind of anime stuff?
What I want to contribute is to show the parents that they have to help our kids in what they like and not push them to do anything that they don't like. For example, if you want to push them to singing or if you don't show them that what you want them to do, it's very hard for them to really apply it, feel for their, for example, the passion that they like. That's why I'm joining competitions so that I can show my kids that if I'm doing it, they can do it at the same time. I'm building up for what I call this relationship with one another so that I want my kids to grow up that they're close to me and I want them to instill to the people that doing cosplay is a chance for the family to be like bonding time with them.
Okay, thank you very much.
Something about preserving in generation ng cosplay through her kids and sumunod-sumunod na
It's a form of their banding.
Yes, ayan. Thank you very much, Team Onesa, or Big Sisters. Thank you very much. Okay, grabe.
Let's give them a round of applause.